Greetings, second grade families. This is Mr. Koga, and I'm here to show you how to get onto FlipGrid and what to do when you sign in. All right, so to get to FlipGrid, you can either press on the FlipGrid bookmark in the bookmarks bar, or you can go to Google and just Google FlipGrid, and it'll be the first one that pops up. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the grid code into this box right here. So our grid code for our Fall Harvest Festival grid is BCF3E2C2. Then we're going to press enter, and it's going to take us to this next tab. Here, you're going to press that lovely button that we all love called the join or sign in or log in with Google button. Just look for the rainbow G. It's going to pull up this next screen, and you're going to look for your name and click on it. And then we logged in successfully. So in order to record a response, you're going to press this red button right here that says record a response. All right, so I'm going to do an example for you real quick, and I'm just going to show you the different tools and basically how to record a video. So if I press this here, it's going to pull up this, and I'm going to allow my camera, and there I am. So I'm just going to record a test video. So I'm going to press the big red record button. 2, 1. Test. This is a test of FlipGrid, test. And then you can press the pause button. Then there are different options here. So you can press the option button, and that's where you can edit and add in things or do different things with the recording. But I think the main thing we're going to look at is this effects button. So if you press on the effects, it'll bring up all these different things you can add. So you can change the color by putting a different filter on. You can also add a frame to your FlipGrid if you want to make it look nice and pretty. You could also add some emojis. And they have all sorts of different emojis, all kinds, all sorts of different cool, fun things you can put on. So you can even put on like sunglasses if you want. It's kind of cool because you can make it kind of like interactive. It's pretty fun. All right. And you can also add text, you can draw, and there's a couple other features, but we don't really use those that much. All right, so after I'm done recording my video, I'm going to press next. Test. This is a test of FlipGrid, test. And there's my video. So if you're happy with your video, you can just press next, or you can also trim it or edit it on this screen too. But typically we never have to use that. All right, so let's press next. And there we go. The video is basically done. So you can keep it like this with this picture right here, or you can select a certain frame from the video, or you can go ahead and take a picture or a selfie. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you want to take a selfie, press the middle button, and you can take a selfie. Oh, and they even load in all the stuff you had before in your video. That's pretty cool. I literally just discovered that just now. So you can take a picture of yourself. Let me line this up. There we go. And then press confirm. And now this image will be the image that everybody sees when they look at my video. So that's going to now override the other picture that was there. So then you can put your name. You can also give your video a description or a title. After you're done, you'll press submit, and it's going to upload your video. Typically, it's pretty quick. Then you could download a QR code. You could download your video or download your selfie, up to you, and then press complete. But wait, my video didn't pop up yet. So we're going to have all the students submitting videos to this FlipGrid, and we want to make sure that we're controlling it so that we're providing a safe environment for the kids to interact with each other. So after your child submits their video, it's going to go into a queue where all of the teachers in second grade will watch the videos and then approve them if they are appropriate and if they're on topic. Okay, so that is the basics of how to get onto FlipGrid and how to record a video.